Nnọọ n'ụwa Igbo, ebe asụsụ, omenala na akụkọ Igbo na-adị ndụ. Onye ọbụla na-esonyere anyị, nnọọ. I am your host, Nezie, linguist, storyteller, and lover of everything Igbo. Ka anyị bido. Today's proverb is one of the most beloved in Igbo culture. Listen carefully. Onye wetara oji wetara ndụ. Repeat after me. Onye wetara oji wetara ndụ. In English, he who brings kola nuts brings life. Close your eyes. Travel with me. It is 1887, somewhere in the heart of Igbo land. The sun hangs low above a peaceful compound. Children run between mud houses. In the obi, elders gather. A stranger arrives after a long journey. The eldest man calls for kola nut. A young woman brings it carefully on a carved wooden plate. The elder blesses it, he breaks it. The stranger received it, and suddenly, he is no longer a stranger. He is family because someone brought kola nuts. Someone brought life. Now let us travel again. It is 2024 in a small flat in South London. Obinna is 27 years old, born in Nigeria, raised in England. The grandfather arrives from Enugu. The family gathers. The room is filled with laughter. Grandfather reaches into his bag. He unwraps the kola nuts. The room becomes silent. He sees it and begins to pray. Onye Wetara Oji Wetara Ndụ. And suddenly, Obinna feels something he has not felt in years. Connection, belonging, home. Onye Wetara Oji Wetara Ndụ. Think about that. You do not need to carry a physical kola nut. Every time you truly show up for someone, you bring life. Every time you make someone feel seen, you bring life. Every time you carry your language and culture proudly, you bring life. And this podcast, ụwa IGBO. This is my kola nut to you. No. Obi dị anyị ụtọ ịhụ gị. Anyị eruola na njedebe nke taa. Thank you for spending this time in ụwa IGBO. If this episode taught you something, share it. Let someone else find their way home too. Ọ bụ anyị niile na-echekwa asụsụ anyị. Until next time, daalụ. Nọrọnụ nke ọma. Ka ọ dị mgbe ọzọ.